Hello children and welcome to today's general knowledge class. So today I will be teaching you all about water, the uses of water. Okay children? You know from where do we get water? We get water from rain. From where do we get water? We get water from rain. And this rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, and then it comes to our taps in our homes where we use it for different things. Okay? So look at this picture over here and I will teach you the uses of water. What is water used for? Do you know what is water used for? We all need water, right children? Human beings, plants, animals, we all need water to live. So let's see some uses of water. Water is used for washing. We wash cars, utensils, that is vessels or utensils you call it. We wash clothes, no? Mopping of the floor, washing of the toilets. You require water for so many things, no? In the house, all household things which have to be done in the house, we require water. So water is used for washing. What else we use water for? We use water for, here see, we are showing washing of clothes, washing cars, washing clothes, washing vessels. So water is used for washing. Water is used for cooking. Mummy cooks food, no? And to cook food, your mum requires water. She cooks vegetables, she makes curry, you require water for everything. When you cook, you require water. Even to wash vegetables, you require water. So when your mum cooks food at home, she uses water. So water is used for cooking. What else water is used for? Can you tell me? Yes. Water is also used for drinking. You can see the little boy drinking water there. Yes, water is used for drinking. We all need water to drink. Human beings, plants, animals all need water to survive, to live. Yes. So what else we use water for? Drinking, cooking, washing. Then for bathing, we use water for bathing, right? When we have bath, we use water, no? Putting soap, applying soap, and then we use water. So we require water for bathing. Without water, can we have bath? No. So we require water also for bathing. What else do we need water for? We also need water for, I said, for cooking, drinking, bathing, washing. Plants too require water. See this little boy watering plants? Yes, without water the plants will die. So like you and me, the plants too require water to live, to survive and to grow big, right? So plants too require water. Animals also require water. Just as we need water to drink, animals too drink water. So without water, animals too can't survive. They require water to drink, they require water to have bath, they bathe in the rivers, they go into the rivers, or when it rains, if it is the birds or the animals, they just get wet in the rain. Yes, so all need water, right children? So once again, let's take the uses of water. First and foremost, tell me, from where do we get water? I told you just now, no? From where do we get water? We get water from rain. Everybody say, from where do we get water? Answer, we get water from rain. Once again, listen to the question. From where do we get water? And the answer is, we get water from rain. Say everybody, from where do we get water? Give me the answer. We get water. Say everybody, we get water from rain. Now listen to the second question. What is water used for? What is water used for? And the answer is, water is used, say everybody, water is used first for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. I have given you only 4 things but require water for many other things. Like I said, you use water for washing. In washing, everything is included in that. That is washing of your clothes, your vessels, your vehicles, or you're wiping off your floors, mopping of your floors. Water is used for all different washing items. For everything you require water, okay? For washing. Then I said for drinking, for cooking and for bathing. Then also plants require water, animals require water. Then when there is a fire somewhere broken out, we require water to put off the fire, right? When there is any fire anywhere, the fire brigade comes and with water he puts off the fire, right? So water is used for many things. There are different uses. You can use water for many things. Okay? So I'll ask you the second question once again. What is water used for? And the answer is, water is used, everybody say, water is used First one, for drinking. Second point, cooking. Third, bathing. And fourth, washing. Okay? We take it for the last time. What is water used for? The answer is water is used. Everybody say water is used for drinking, cooking. Second point, cooking, bathing. Third point, and washing clothes. Okay? So we revise both the questions once again. From where do we get water? And the answer is we get water. Say everybody, we get water from rain. What is water used for? Second question, what is water used for? And the answer is water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. So you followed, you understood the uses of water and from where do we get water? Yes. So now you can tell your mummies and dads, teach them to your mums and dads. Say, see, I have learnt the uses of water. Okay? So I hope you'll enjoy today's class, all the different uses of water. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Preschool Geniuses. And click on the bell icon to receive more videos. And I will see you in my next class. Bye.